Hi, I finally received the rest of my orders from a November Craft Day event from HSN. These are Crafter's Companion secret item for that day. It's Crafter's Companion Stacking Edge Edgeable and Crafter's Companion Stacking Curves Edgeables. Let's open them and check it out together. Okay. These two are from Stacking Edge, and you get modern scallops and traditional braces in this bundle. Let me show you. With these ones, you get the decorative die and different edges to cut with, so you get multiple options with these ones. I will cut a few of them and show you some of the options. Alright, let's open the other one. These are from Curve Bundle. You get decorative curves and floral curves. Actually, I like this one more. They sold out on Craft Day, but and we got it on extended delivery, but they are available on HSN at the time I'm recording this video, so I will put the link below in the description if you're interested to purchase these for yourself. Okay, these are cute. Okay, I will cut them out. I probably can't cut all the options, but I will cut few and show you how they look like. Alright, I cut a few options with these dies out, and I can show you. But these ones, they look like this. I've used the straight edge for this one, but you can use the other two edge as well, which one of them are dots and the other one cuts like stitching. So with each edgeable you can cut it in three different styles. You can use them like this over the edge of your card. Sorry, I want you to see. The other option is if you use them like this in front of your card. You can use them as gatefold card, which I will show you with one of the curves. You can use them to cut out the shape. It's gonna be something like this, or even you can put them farther away and make it a different shape. To remove this from the card, I need to use regular scissor or X-Acto knife and cut it from the top and the bottom. And I have my shape, which I can use to decorate my cards or projects scrapbook page. Okay. With this style, as you can see, you have these options. I haven't done that because you can see it in front of the package. You can cut them back to back without the cutting edge and get something like this effect for all of the die sets. With this one, with this die, I haven't a good luck. I don't know, when I use my Gemini, it had too much pressure, and when I used my MIDI, it didn't cut all the way through, even though I tried to cut it twice. I don't know, I will try a few more combination to see how it works. But it looks like this. It's kind of a geometric design. And actually with this one I used my Gemini and the pressure was too much, so I got a little bit curved. And my cardstock is not a heavyweight cardstock. So this, and this is another design for this die set. Okay, for this one I wanted to show you the other side. First of all, you can cut them on the edge, as you can see. Let me show you, and let me show you this one. With this die, the edge is different from the other ones, or maybe not. I thought it's different. So when I cut that out, do I have that? I don't. Oh yeah, this is from here. I put it from the wrong side, so I got the edge from the other side. But I thought I could show you, you can use these edge cutting dies separately as well if you'd like. And even with this one, these are the same designs, but put it on the wrong side, so I got this scalloped edge like this. I'm not a big fan of it, but that's another option you have. And actually, if you make a gatefold card, you can use that. It's kind of nice looking, maybe, to cut the front of your card like this. Anyways, so this is one of the designs. This one and this one. This is from using this die, this diamond shape die, the correct way, so it looks like something like this. And again, you can use all of these dies in different combination, so with each edge die you can get 3 different styles of edgeables, only if you use it over the edge. Of course, you get more options. You can use these dies like create a card dies, making the shape cards and other things. And this is one of the dies from this die set, and use it to make my gatefold card. And what I've done is using this die and this straight edge dies and put that over the edge. First of all, I cut the paper. Oh, by the way, these dies are like 6-inch dies. I've used a 6 by 8.5-inch cardstock, and I've scored my cardstock on 2 1/4 from each side. So I had a little bit overlap on my gatefold. Then I've used this edgeable die with the straight edge to cut one side. Then I wanted to mirror it to the other side, so what I've done, just move this one to the other side, put it here, put the other edge here, and like this, get it through my Gemini MIDI and cut it out, and voila, we have a fancy gatefold card. So I probably will decorate this card and show you at the end. So we have this, and with this one I wanted to show you how you can put the dies if you want to cut it over the edge, which I explain here somehow, but you will do it like this. And of course you can put these dies anywhere on the card you like. So let me remove this to show you the design. And with this one, these are from the other die set, which is this one. And we have another style. It's like this. So I tried to do a gatefold card with this one, and I really like this design. It's like heart shape. Alright, these are some of the options and the designs you get with this die set. As I mentioned, you can use these dies like create a card dies. You can use them together. The options are endless. Really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.